Good morning. Ira Epstein of Linn Associates with your morning flash update for this Tuesday, the 5th of March, 2019, about 9:25 a.m. Central Standard Time. Stock markets mixed. That's the right word I think you can use. You got the NASDAQ up a little bit. The Russell is the weakest looking, I think, of the indices technically, and you're down in the Dow and the S&P. Dollar index got a boost today off some good ISM data that I'll show you in a minute here. Euro's still feeling the pressure, so's the pound, the yen. Dollar's just winning by default everywhere, which affects, of course, the grains. But I just looked at a report that showed how our wheat is priced against other countries around the world, and we're actually in pretty good shape. The problem is wheat is a depressed commodity. When you come over and you look at the energy markets, they're stable. That's about all that I think you can say. While interest rate futures, well, they're adding a little bit to the rates. When we come over and we look at the ISM data, I think this is a big number, 59.7. It's February, so it's a current number. They expected a 57. They've got good business activity index numbers. In fact, the non-manufacturing prices falling down, I don't know that that's a big negative. New orders were up nicely. Employment index slipped a little bit, but I don't think that's that bad, non-manufacturing employment. Market U.S. final February services sector PMI came out at 56 versus a preliminary 56.2. Eurozone composite was 51.9, which is an improvement over January's 51. I also saw that Italy's numbers looked better, and so did France, marginally, but at least they're not worse. Eurozone January producer prices were up 0.4% month to month versus expectations of 0.3. And the Reserve Bank of Australia left its monetary policy as is. The Bank of England's meeting, and as we come back to the commodity sector, it's going to be politics. And I've been writing about this, and I'm getting tired of it because it's going to be the whole year that you write about politics. Everything's going to come with everyone trying to go against President Trump. Right or wrong, I'm not trying to join that parade, but the parade that you have to watch is, will it impact the markets? And I don't know. The market's looking for the Chinese trade deal, you know that, and the question is, what are the details of that? We also saw that China took a lot of moves overnight, including they're going to be adding a lot of monies to the banks. They're going to lower their VAT tax that I had written about. They've lowered their growth to a range now. They're not coming out with numbers, coming out with ranges, 6% to 6.5, but they're also talking a little bit slower in 2020. So you've got to watch all that and see where it all comes to play out. You know, one of my favorite things have been these guide to technical indicators, and I haven't talked about them in a while. But they are volumes, two of them. Volumes 1 and 2, they'll talk about different types of charts, the patterns. Then you can get into the different trend lines, how to apply them, what they work with. Moving averages, one of my favorite indicators. Oscillators, sentiment, if you like that. I don't really use that much. And I do watch Fibonacci, Gann, and those other numbers. But, you know, you can get so much of this, you got to decide which ones do you like and which ones do you think fit into what you want to do. We have these available. They're also part of our futures trading kit, and how you get it's pretty simple. Just give us a call. You can go to our website and you'll see our a carousel of free offers. Just sign up for it there. Click on it. Away you go. You can click up here. You'll get that as well. I'm Ira Epstein. You have a good morning, and I'll see you this afternoon with our end of the day videos.